but very, very slow process. You know, every 1 year, they grow only about 0.2 millimeter. And higher, we have formation of banana blossom. There on the top, move a little right. Right? Okay, that one. And look up, you can see a lot of hanging buds there on the top. You see it, the buds?
Yes.
There are plenty. Yeah. You have a smell now? That's coming from the bud. Smell is bad, but it tastes good. Yeah, kasi sabihan nga tayo, mabaho siya, masarap eh. Like a fruit of durian. Yeah. And the water here is cold, ha? Kasi wala siyang araw, we don't have sunlight. Medyo malamig-lamig nga po ang ating water. At mababaw na rin, this area, mga pa na lang ito,